Welcome back from Graphicxtras. In this video I'm just going to show you the graduated filter tool that you can find in the effects menu in PaintShop Pro X6. And first thing to do, I'm actually just going to create a layer. So this is the whole thing is going to be based on layers. So layer, new raster layer, click OK. Right, effects, photo effects and a graduated filter. Now different combinations of different settings here, style, linear, etc. I'm just going to go for the sunbursting, it's called, or maybe radial design. Change the colours, you can change the opacity. Sadly, you can't change the blending mode in this graduated filter. It'd be really nice if you could, but anyway, change the colour, maybe make it slightly darker, and that's it. Unfortunately, there's very few presets. There's just a few little changes there. You can't actually change anything there. So all you can just do is use the presets. So click OK. Once you've actually done that, you can now go to a layers, new raster layer, click OK, and change the blending mode. Now I'm going to go to use difference in this. So just over here in the layers, and adjust, effects, photo effects, graduated filter. Now, of course, it's exactly the same, so at that point you end up with just black. So you can actually just move it over, and you can see already you've got different things. Now, if you want to actually change the colours, so you don't go with those colours, you can actually just go over here. So use red there, orange, and maybe a blue. Click OK. So literally straight away you can see different colour combinations using the difference mode. Of course you don't have to use difference, you can use darken, do multiply, overlay, etc. lighten. Now in Photoshop it's probably slightly easier because you've actually got a gradient tool that can actually just create these very quickly. This graduated filter is slightly more cumbersome in that respect, but still quite useful for creating some interesting colour combinations. Now of course you could duplicate that layer and then maybe rotate or apply effects and then create different combinations, but you can also of course create another layer. So I'm just going to create another one, and again difference, and go over here again to effects, photo effects, graduated filter, and then you've got another layer. So now I can actually change the position there. I don't have to keep the same type of style, but I am going to keep it there, but you don't have to. Click OK. Again, a layers, new raster layer, and you can change the blend mode here. Obviously just go there, difference, click OK, and effects, photo effects, graduated filter, maybe move that to a different position, different colours. Just going to go for a purple, click OK, and blue, go for a yellow, click OK. Now the preview is not instantaneous particularly, so you have to wait to obviously come back to this dialog to see the effect. So click OK. Right, so you've actually got these designs, so you can literally create thousands and thousands of different colourful backgrounds, maybe overlays. Of course, I could have I could have a background, I could have an image, so that all these would be applied on top of an image. So you can colour an image very quickly using that. And again, like I say, you can go to here and say, instead of difference, you can actually go for dodge or other colour combinations. Maybe colour, great, more interesting and unusual effects. And as I said, you can just go over here, effects. You can also do various, say, sepia toning. Don't have to go with, and just click OK. And so you can modify the colour without actually having to do any modification to the graduated filter. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.